Diesel, is that dog butter yummy? Diesel. Dog butter for dogs. He loves it so much. Only gets it every blue moon, but when he does, it's a special treat for him.